From Wish TV, your local news source, this is breaking news.
And we begin tonight with that breaking news. The Food and Drug Administration Advisory Committee has voted to recommend emergency use authorization of Moderna's coronavirus vaccine.
The FDA will now review the committee's vote and decide on whether to grant that authorization. We should learn its decision later today or in the coming days. We'll keep you posted.
And a major milestone in the COVID-19 pandemic here in Indianapolis. Another local hospital is administering the vaccine today.
That's right. We got an inside look as a small group of healthcare workers at Ascension St. Vincent received their first dose of the vaccine. The hospital set up a clinic outside of the hospital. Hospital officials say the whole process from start to finish will take about 10 minutes. News 8's Demi Johnson following this story for us tonight, and we'll bring you a closer look at the process tonight on News 8 at 10 and 11.
Meanwhile, over at Eskenazi Health, officials there telling us their shipments of vaccines arrived today. These photos were provided by the hospital. You can see employees opening up the boxes and unpacking the vials. Officials say they plan to start vaccinating healthcare workers there tomorrow morning. Franciscan Health and IU Health North both say vaccinations there will also begin tomorrow.
Well, comparing the two COVID-19 vaccines, Moderna's is similar to Pfizer's in terms of ingredients and the technology used to develop it. But there are two key differences. News 8 spoke with a doctor from Franciscan Health to explain.
The Pfizer vaccine requires ultra cold storage to keep it, sort of preserved and usable until time to use it. The Moderna one does not have that requirement. And then the other thing is the time interval. The Pfizer one needs to be given 3 weeks after the first dose for the second, and the Moderna is 4 weeks.
He goes on to say that whichever vaccine dose you get the first time, it is critical to make sure you get the same one for the second dose.